Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share one of the dies that I got from the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that I attended in September, and it is from the ton, and it is called Lovely Hibiscus Layering Die. And so I cut all the pieces out. It comes with a few dies. I think 7 dies maybe. I forget. But it comes with a few of them because they are a layering set. And so I cut them all out. I have them in my little piles, and I am going to assemble them. I'm going to play some music, assemble what I got here, and they should come out looking like this. Look at that. And this is just paper. Just paper. So I'll be back. You can watch me as I put them together. So, how did you like that? That was pretty easy, huh? Did you see me assemble it? Okay, I'm gonna do some more. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and I've completed a few of them, and I'll just share with you. So the idea is to go with the paper kind of monochromatic, and you go from light to dark. Is how I did it. I've not tried dark to light yet, but this is light to dark. And so they're about 4 inches, 4 by 6, about 4 by 6. So I don't believe they'll fit on an A2 size card. You will have to trim off. Let's try it. So I just have a white A2 card base. Yeah, so you'll just have to trim some of it off, but not a lot of it. See the parts? That little part, and then down here. And you could just put a sentiment across. That's what I'm planning on doing, is putting a sentiment. Yeah, so I love this I love this die. Again, it is from the Ton, and you can find them at theton.com, I believe. I will leave the link to their YouTube channel in the description box below. It's lovely hibiscus layering die. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Have you guys ever played with layering dies? I'm so amazed with these. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas.